the buffet and patience, every loss a lesson learned. Diamond hands, no faking, watch our profits get earned. Stack that paper, chase that cheddar, never gonna quit. Goofy money, that's our daily hit. Scalping through the morning, swing trades in the night, risk management tight, keeping profits in sight. Stop loss set, take profit ready. Goofy cool forever, keeping momentum steady. Margin calls and shake us, we prepare for the fall. Diversified portfolio, we survive it all. Red days our spirit, but we push through the pain. Green days remind us why we stay in this game. Blood, sweat, and patience, every loss a lesson learned. Diamond hands, no faking, watch our profits get earned. Patience, every loss a lesson learned. Diamond hands, no faking, watch our profits get earned. We the goofies making moves on every dip, buying low, selling high, never losing our grip. Stack that paper, chase that cheddar, never gonna quit. Goofy money, that's our daily hit. When volatility hits and the market turns cold, Goofy stick together, never fold. Brothers and sisters in this trading life, cut through the chaos with precision like a knife. We the goofies making moves on every dip, buying low, selling high, never losing our grip. Stack that paper, chase that cheddar, never gonna quit. Goofy money, that's our daily hit. Goofies forever, loyalty is deep in this trading game. Promises we keep.
I watch life before the dawn. Charts and numbers fill his mind. Small account but heart so strong. Leave the doubters far behind. Every loss just fuels the fire. Every game brings him alive. With his crew he climbs much higher. This is how we learn to thrive. The market calls, he answers back.
Yeah, yeah, we're back. We are back. Everybody went to go take a nap. Oh, that would rhyme. And now we back. 105, unhalted. Unhalted, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in business. We're back in business. Make sure you guys share the stream. Let's get some people in here. And let's go to the moon together. What do you guys say? This might be a slow squeeze, but we'll get it going on Monday, baby. Let's see how high we get today. I'll tell you one good thing. I don't see a H10 or T12 halt, which means the stock, they're letting it go. How high will it go? I don't know. The volume is gone. It's Friday. This could be a part of their move, part of their strategy. There are no halts, no volatility halts, ladies and gentlemen, during after hours. We are starting to squeeze here. We're getting volume picking up. You're starting to see volatility. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you like the stream. Make sure you share it. Let's get into it. Let's get all the goofies in here. 102. High 108 after hours. Let's see if we get anything happening here. They are going to fight us. We need volume. We need volume, guys. Let's watch the 5-minute. Not as exciting, but it looks good. Looks like they're going to drop us back to 98 cents. And then let's see if we hold that and make a move up. This is going to be a straight broadcasting call here. Let me be your play-by-play man, and let's see what happens here. We need volume. So far, we have not found too much of it, but it's more than we've had in the past few weeks here. It's starting to pick up. 103, 104. We're getting it going. 27 people in here. Let me put the chat on. I don't have the dog on. All right, let's call some of you guys in here. Nyan's back in here. Shawnee's back in here. B-Dub, Zachary, Mike Lee's in here. J. Cole's in here. Kenneth's in here. Steph's back in here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's squeeze these goofies. Come on, 105. Let's get a breakout. Let's get a breakout, man. I got another beer. This is number 3. I'm about to pound it. I'm going to pound this beer. We break 107, 108. I'm going to pound this beer. It's time to get another one, baby. We're in action. 105 after hours. Up 21.68%. Ladies and gentlemen, the lawsuit has been filed. Genius Group. The FAFO has begun. All right, let's get to the chat. Enough of me being excited over a couple pennies. B-Dub said, let's go. Mike Lee, we're up. Yeah, we up. We're up. More PR coming soon. Hope so. Steph says, bro, this was another opportunity for the shorts to cover some naked shares while traders are away. On low volume, they can't. They can't cover enough shares with no volume, guys. If anything, whatever happens after hours is a bonus. The real party begins Monday. What we want now is to go up $1, $2 would be a perfect, ideal scenario, guys. Go up 50 to 100, 200% after hours on low volume over the weekend. Over the weekend, we get the volume, guys. Okay, we hit the streets. We hit the streets. We let everybody know what's going on, and they can make a mind on if they want to invest or not. We got to get up here, okay? We got to make a move here. We cannot break below 98 cents anymore, guys. We got to go up. We're flagging right now. 5-minute chart. We're watching it. Still up 20% here after hours. Trading at 104. I want you guys to get into this. Come on. Go get a drink. Go get a beer. Go get some wine. Get whatever you got to do. Let's hang in here. We got hour 40 minutes left in the after hours. Let's see if we could get above 150, $2. Let's see if we make a move, guys. We got to make a move here. We need to make a move here. Let's go. Whew. At least I got to eat this time. The buy button is still disabled on Fraudelity. You have to call in. Okay, blow up their phones. If you got Fraudelity and you want to buy some shares, you got to blow up their phone. It's up to you guys. If everybody's buy button wasn't turned, if everybody's buy button was turned on, this would be much different. Definitely, 100%. And yet we're still up 19%. Shawnee bought 60 more. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see if we break out of this flag here. Now we're going to do TA here for the rest of this after hours here. We have to hold 108, guys. 108. 98. My apologies. And Elise says, get on socials and share it, everyone. Yes. Now would be the time, guys, to share the news with everybody. Now is the time to share it. Do not tell them to buy or sell, but let them know of the news. Now is the time to get volume in here, guys. Eyes on the stock. 21% up after hours. We're trading at 105. Thank you, Shawnee. Those 60 shares sent us to the moon. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Steph says Citadel and Virtue. Yeah. No, here we go. 107, baby. Let's break 108. One move at a time, baby. One move at a time. Let's go. After hours. Come on. Break out of this 108, 110. Here we go, guys. 107. We're getting volume coming in. Volume is starting to come in. We're almost at 2 million. We're starting to look squeezy. We're starting to look squeezy. 107, 108. Break 108. We're off. Let's look at the 15-minute chart here. Actually, let's look at the 4-hour. Look at this nice candle, guys, on the 4-hour. Look at this candle. Let's go. Got to break 115. 115 and 129, guys. 115. Break 108, then 115. Come on. We could do it. Look at this nice 15-minute candles here. We got to avoid this double top here on the 1 minute. We are way overbought. They want to bring us down to 98 cents, guys. We got to fight here. We got to make a move here, guys. We are setting up for Monday. We have to close strong. As annoying as I get, I'm sorry, but it's true. If we close on this 5-minute candle above 108, I will chug this IPA. We're at 105 now. Yeah, they're bringing us back down. They want that 98. The algorithms want to come back down to 98. I told several tickers on stock tweets with GNS Lasso link feature. Good. Whatever you guys got to do to get people in the, not necessarily in this stream, you can. Please bring as many people as you can in here. But whatever you could bring news to the ticker, to GNS, now's the time to do it. Shawnee says, on my 6th beer. Let's go. Let's go. You'll do a shot with me? Let's go. We got to break 108. Don't waste it. We got to break 108. Break 108. We're all drinking. We're all drinking. We break 108. That's the start of it. Pumpy says, damn, I wasn't even watching the chart. I thought for sure the haul would be until Monday. Yeah. I took a peek into the brokerage and I see it moving. And I was like, whoa, okay. Let's go, Matthew. Rockets in the chat. Look at that. We got to hold 98 and make a move up. We can't come back down. I don't like that false breakout of that flag there. We need more volume here. We need more volume. Come on, baby. Woo! We got to break 108, 115, 129. Those are the numbers. 108 is holding tough, man. Up 19% after hours. Here we go. Can we make a move up? 105. This is a 5-minute chart. This candle's about to close. We need it to close green here, or white if you're looking at the screen. We got 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see where we end up here. Let's see if we could bring up dark pool here. Everything should be working again. Let's look at cost to borrow. Let's look at dark pool numbers. We're going to track some data here. No change in cost to borrow yet. Don't expect it since we just unhalted. Dark pool. 56% for the day. Okay. We'll check back, see when we get an update here. All right. 106, 108, 109. Can we close here? Oh, we did close that candle. It was a new candle. This candle wants to break out. Come on. We're all trying to get, it's Friday. It's Friday. We're all trying to get loosey-goosey, baby. 107, 108. He's going the distance. Dun, 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 dun. He's going for speed. 106. It doesn't want to break 108. It wants me to be sober. It says I've had enough. 22.83% after hours. Trading at 106 for those that are just listening. I will call out the price the whole time if you guys are driving. Please try to not look at your phone. I know a lot of you guys are getting off work right now and driving, so please hang in there. I will call out the share price for you. Do not force yourself to look at the phone, okay? We're trading at 107 after hours, up 24%. We are trying to break 108 as we speak. Yeah, these candles look great. Woo! I love it. I love it. Steph says my buddy says he can't buy on Robinhood. Anyone else having that issue? I don't know. I use Robin for options, but I'll buy a share on there. Let me see. I'll tell you right now. Is he buying the ask? Tell him he has to buy the ask. It's too volatile right now. I'll tell you right now if it goes through. Limit price. Also, does he know he has to buy on the limit, right? Limit order. The ask is 108. The bid's 102. So we'll do 108. We'll buy the ask. All right. Let's test Robinhood up. Nope. Filled right away. My order got filled right away on Robinhood. Holy moly. P&L is moving. My order went through. So if you guys are having problems, make sure you are doing limit orders and make sure you're buying the ask. After hours is always hard to get a order fill. Mike Lee Jr. says, "Oh, this is what they mean by making money in your sleep." You know, Loden is sleeping too. Somebody better wake her up. She better have an alarm. If this starts going, she might miss the squeeze. 107. We are having a hard time bringing. Oh, 109. Nope, it was 108. 108, 107. Break 108. We drinking, baby. Come on. Why is this so hard to break? 108. Here it is. Here it is. Get your drinks ready. 108. Up 25%. My buy order must have pushed us over. Somebody just bought 5,200 shares. Man, that ask is not moving 108. They got a wall at 108. Look at that. 1,400. It's getting ate up, though. Oh, it's back to 1,700. Come on. I want to see this thing get moving. Break out of this zombie prison. This is the candle. Please, baby. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, it could have been unsettled funds as well. 108. Is this the breakout? 107. Holy crap. Let's freaking drink. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Break these. We got. Oh, this candle just closed. It's going to have to be on this next candle. Man, I knew I shouldn't open another beer. Well, if we have to do the rest of this stream slurring the whole time, but we're trading at $2, $3, $4, $5 heading into Monday, hey, listen, you're welcome. You're welcome for my sacrifice, okay? I am putting my liver on the line so you guys can make some money. So remember me. Remember me when this happens, okay? Remember me. Back to 106. Man, they want to bring this down. They want to bring it down to 98 so bad. They're trying. There is no volume after hours. We've had 1 million in volume so far. And it's been just chilling at 107, 108. For after hours, the volume is not bad, guys. 137,000 here, 98,000 here, 28,000 here, all 5 minute candles. 130,000 here, 146,000 here, 253,000 here, and that was the unhalted at 48,000. 108 for those listening. We keep hitting 108, 106, 107. They are playing defense at 108. The ask is down to 483 at 108 from 2000. We are making a move at 108. You break 108, we could get going here. The 4 hour looks beautiful, guys. Guys, we are ready to make a move here. We gotta break this 108, 110. We could literally run 115 and 129 pretty quick. Come on, baby. 108. It doesn't want to break 108. 25% up after hours. 107.5. 108. The ask is now 221. The ask is now 98. Can we break it here? All somebody has to do is buy 100 shares of the ask at 108. And we can move past this. Do I have enough? Not on this account. Let me see. Now, I have it on P. 110, 111, 112. Let's drink, baby. Wait, we got to close. We got to close the candle above 108. It's not time yet. 113. 113. Whoever just bought the 8,000 shares, thank you. 112. Up 28% on the day. 111. We are 1 minute and 20 seconds away from pounding and drinks. Get your drinks ready, ladies and gentlemen. 112, 111. We're starting to move the volume. Volume is up to 3 million. 114. High of the after hours. We're starting to get moving. Up 32%. After hours. 114. 114. 115. There's 115. This is the next level we got to break, guys. 115. Okay? 116. 117. Let's go. 117. Let's go. Whoever bought 7,800 shares, thank you very much. We're back down to 114. Oh, 115 is going to be tough to break, guys. That's the next one. We got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left on this candle, and we're drinking. Get ready to drink. Get ready to drink, baby. 117, 116, 115, 117. We're in the 30% range now. Come on, baby. Let's go. Bring in the whales. Let's go. 117. Candle, 18 seconds from closing. Down to 114. Sheesh. They don't want to break that 115 because we're going to 129. I told you 115 would be resistance. We got to break this. The ask on 115 is now 1,000. Oh, somebody bought it up or it was spoofing. 113, 114. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to drink. We closed at 113 on that candle. Whichever one of you guys is blessed enough to have a drink in your hands, I want to say cheers to you. Let's hope today is the beginning of a nice run. Yeah, we're unhalted and we're moving. Okay, cheers. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Now, if you'll excuse me, while we're at 115, 116, I'm going to go get another beer. And this is going to be a long night, baby, because I got a whole six pack in there. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. 117. All right, I'm back. You guys want to know what I just realized too? I forgot I was high. I was hitting a vape pen, getting ready to take a nap because I didn't sleep good last night, and I totally forgot. I thought I was buzzing from beer, and then I realized I hit a vape pen as well. 120, 119, 120, baby. For those that are driving, volume is coming in 3.4 million now. 121, 120. We're starting to break out, guys. This is definitely hitting scanners now. Oh, baby. Please get us over a couple dollars heading into Monday. Please. I'll look at the chat right now. Give me 1 second. All right, 122, 120, 121. Matthew, if you're in here, let me know, please. Sorry, Steph. I know you posted a lot. I'm over here focused on price action over here. 120 is having a hard time breaking here. They keep loading up the ask here. This is spoofing. This is why they're getting sued. This is why they're getting sued because of spoofing, and they're doing it again. They don't learn, guys. They're getting sued, and they're not learning their lesson. They refuse to learn the lesson. Amazing. 117, 118, up 35% on the day. All right.
Oh, yeah.
I can't pronounce your name, brother, but thanks for the sub. That is a lot of random letters. You sound like a bot. Are you a bot? Let me know if you're a bot. Cheers, babies. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Steph. Hey, we'll trade over $1 billion Monday. I'll tell you what. If we start getting over $2, $3, $4, $5 by 5 p.m. my time or market close after hour close, I wouldn't doubt that. It's really important we get some volume going here, guys. For those listening, 118, 120. I will tell you once we break 120. We are just staggering right here. Ping ponging between 120 and 117. Girardi says, is this covering or FOMO? This is day traders. Most likely. The few day traders that are still left on the market probably saw the scanner. They saw this unhalt and they probably started trading it. Hopefully they understand what's happening. They looked at the news and they understand that last time this ran based off just a rumor of a filing, it went up to $8 just on a rumor. It's actually filed now. Marie J says, Kenny was in the Oval Office this week asking comment to help with another comment. Hey, 119, 120. He looked pretty sad. I saw the pictures of Kenny. All right, 120, 119. The ask is 60. It's time to move up. It's time to move up. Here we go. It's time to move. It's time to move. Let's get some volume. We have yet to hit 4 million in volume yet. This is normal for after hours, guys. Everybody's already gone from the market. Steph says spoofing is just fake sell walls. Exactly. We know better. We do. Everybody in here knows. All right, cool. Let's go. I see you, my boy. Zachary says 1.2 million in volume last on hourly. Nice. Let's look at it. Let's look at the hour. Look at this candle on the hour. Woo! I like it. I like it a lot. 1.3. Yeah, 1.23. I mean, beautiful. All right, let's see. If they start selling off here, we'll come down to 106 and then go back up. Um, let's do some basic TA here. Nothing special. What is your deal? What is your deal? All right. Make this line a little thicker. All right, baby. Let's go. 118. And the boy not looking good. Steph says, I'll fly to California and buy you all double IPAs if we trade over. Oh, you're taking us to breweries. We're going to San Diego and you're taking us brewery hopping. How about that? I'm down for that. I'm down for that. I'll hold you that too. My boy's in there. He's a witness. They're covering. I mean, it's not possible for them to cover. You see the bid and ask? That has to get real tight for them to be able to cover. That's when you know there's covering going on. Right now, this is trading action. 120, guys, for those that are driving. Up 39% a day. 21. 121. Don't be a lightweight. 129. We drinking again, baby. Oh, my battery's about to die. Did I make it? Did we die? Woo! I almost lost you guys. I forgot to plug in the laptop. We hit 123 and came back down to 119. Sorry about that. I forgot to plug in the laptop. 121. Again, 129 is going to be a big resistance area here. We could come down back down to 113. That's potentially possible, but the way the stock is moving right now, I don't think so. Where are my KC, the KC channel? Super trend. I don't care about EMAs. All right, let's bring that up. 123. 123, guys. New after hours high. 124. We're moving again. There is 4,400 shares. I want to say it's spoofing, but I don't know. After hours, I don't know. Indicators. All indicators. Do I have it under favorites? No. Keltner channels. Here we go. What in the? Are we that high above the KC channels? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, we are. My goodness. We could literally drop as low as 107 here. All right, here we go. Here's that move down we expected. Let's see if we could hold the 112, 113 area. We're still trading at 116, at 115. We got a high after hours of $1.24 for those driving. We are up 33% on the day, trading at 115. We get a nice move here in the next hour and 14 minutes. It's going to be a lovely, lovely weekend, ladies and gentlemen. We are on subscriber mode only right now. No bots allowed. Nice couple purchases here. We had a $10,000 buy at $1.21. Oh, actually, we had two buys. He bought twice. It must have had a hard time getting filled. Oh, one got removed. What the? The times of sales are pretty goofy. It's glitching out on Weeble. Trading at 117, 116, getting glitchy. It's getting jumpy. All right, here we go. We're testing this trend line. Let's see if we get a bounce up here. Make a higher high here. We got 3 more minutes left on this candle. We touch this trend line. Let's see if we hold it. It's trying to break below it. It wants to come to 107, guys. It's like a magnet. It's the KC channels. Similar to Bollinger Bands. This is a big clue that this is day trading going on in after hours. This is not covering. Not yet. When this starts to be covering, you're going to see the volume go crazy. Right now, we're getting decent volume, but the total volume for the day is at 4.74 million. In the last hour, our total volume has been 1.6 million. So we're moving, but not at the level for institutional covering, right? Once that happens, we're going to break out. Ooh, that was a volatile candle. That candle went to 110, $1.10. And it popped right back up to 115. Now we're trading at 113. They're trying to break this down. There's some dumbass shorts trying to short this news. Crazy. Unbelievable. Check the post you put on Discord. On it. Did you tag me on it? Oh, you did. The after hours candle isn't on the daily chart. Yeah, it can't be. It's after hours. But it moved into its thin volume. Could push through quickly. 118. Hey, you got the same numbers I got. Yeah, that's what I said. 129. 114 for those listening. 112, 113. We are testing a trend line here. All we got to do is hold this in the next 50 seconds and bounce off here and go for the next high. The goal here is to end green, guys, by a nice percentage. Ideally, if we could end $1 up, $2 up by the next hour and 10 minutes, it would be ideal heading over the weekend, right? They're going to do everything in their power to keep us between 98 cents and 158. They will do everything in their power to do this. Trading at 111. 112. And this candle should close here any second. It's 350 now. We close right at the trend line. So we're below the trend line from the but it really has no major touches. This would be the third. And it's after hours for what it's worth. I told you guys we would come down here to this KC channel. The KC channel is now at 107. So do not be surprised if we hit 107 and then have a bounce up. We are severely overbought. But it doesn't look like it matters much. They're fighting for it. Typically what you would see is a touch at what is this? 114 we'll say, and then a dump to this is a nice little demand zone to 107. We have not seen it yet. We got as low as 110. We're currently at 113. So the stock is pretty volatile. The volume is now at 5 million for the day. So we're moving after hours. Steph says we'll close right below $2. That would be great. If we get anywhere near $2, that would be great. Honestly, anything over $1.30 would be great heading into Monday. We're back to 115, 114, 115. Let's see if we get another breakout here. The ask is pretty thin, 534 shares, but it is after hours once again. The top of this KC channel is at 108 now, so we're making a move up. We're back to $1.17. Let's see if we could break 124, hit 129, and go from there. J. Cole says, hedgies and brokers seeing this now. No, Roger West is serious and may come to the table. This may hopefully be the first lawsuit, the smallest one. No, guys, the 250 million that you saw in there, it's telling you that was what the ask previously, right? That's not telling you that's the number. We don't know the number. They're telling you it's minimum that ask of 250 million for the lawsuit. This could be billions. We're not gonna know. We'll know in a few days. Bid and ask is 3 cents, 2 cents apart. Trading at 116, up 34% after hours. Volume now at 5.23 million. 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 7 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Let's look at a larger time frame here. The 1 hour looks sick in a good way. The 15-minute, which is what I trade off of, looks good. Let's actually... Oh, excuse me. Yeah, that'll work. Nice little hammer candle. Thor Campbell coming up, 120. We're back to 119, 120. Guys, we're squeezing. This is a squeeze, guys. It might be after hours and low volume, but it's squeezing. It's doing the right thing. 121, 118. Break 124. We got supply. Well, we got 129 resistance, and then we got supply at 150. Around 155. Here we go. Oh, this is a nice engulfing candle. I'm not a firm believer in candles, but it's looking good, baby. Here we go. 121, up 40%. Let's go. Oh, I choked on beer. Oh, man, I'm so glad I ate. You're right. I should look at the VWAP. That's what a lot of these guys look when they trade. 123, 124. We're making a move here at the end of this candle. 123. Oh, this candle closes at 125. We're in business. 122. We got 20 seconds left on this candle. 124. Come on, close at 125 and let's go to 129. Come on. 122, 123. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Nah, I'm just kidding. Imagine. 124, 123. And candle closes at 123. Okay, let's get a breakout. We're not done yet. Let's go to 129, baby. This is the slowest squeeze I've ever seen. Let's go. Come on. I'm trying not to focus too much on TA. 125. We hit 127. New high of after hours 127, guys. 129 is resistance. We hit 127. We are watching the 5-minute candle. If you guys want to watch the 1-minute candle, we can. It's funner to watch, but it's not as accurate. Nah, let's watch a 5-minute. Just hit the volume scanner again. Let's go. That's what we want. 125. 124. 6 minute. 6 minute. Hitting on 6 million in volume for the day. majority of this volume has come from after hours. Let's go look, see if there's any updated data. Dark pool was at 56.36%. It is down. Ladies and gentlemen, the dark pool is down to 47. We are starting a squeeze, guys. If you guys have followed me for a long time, I told you what we want is volume and dark pool to go down as volume goes up. The off exchange is starting to now go down. We want to stay below 50. We're at 47. Things are looking smooth. Whoops. Where's the chart? There it is. All right. We hit 128, a new high of after hours, and immediately got brought down to 122. As expected, the ask is $1.23. The bid is 121. The ask is now 125. We are seeing volatility on the levels, on the books. There are still signs of a locked float. The most recent purchase that was big was done 2 minutes ago. It was a a 10,000 share purchase. Uh, as far as shorts or sell orders, there have been two big orders above 5,000. One at 7,500, one at 9,500, one at $1.28. That was the 7,500, and one at $1.23 or 9,500 shares. There is a battle going on here at $1.23. They are trying to prevent a new high on this candle. We have a minute and a half left on this candle. All it has to do is have this body close higher than this body, and we're still in business. Nyan says Roger needs to buy some right now. He should. Maybe this is Roger that bought. This could be all Roger. We don't know. I bought some. I bought it on Robinhood. So it doesn't even count, to be honest. 122 holding firm. 123. 124 holding 40% and above for the day. Great percentage. Would love to finish the day above 60, 70 to 100%. Would be amazing. We got exactly 1 hour left in after hours, guys. 1 hour left in after hours. We need everything we could get here heading into Monday. We need one large whale here. I am shocked, completely shocked that they are not pinning this at 98 cents. I am completely shocked that we have not gone back to 98 cents. We're fighting. $1.23. Candle closed at 123. Volume is consistent. That was another 134,000 shares on a 5-minute candle. I normally don't do this, but I'll bring a VWAP. All right, let's make it. We'll make it. We'll make it green. All right, we're above the VWAP, which is great. We're above the trend, which is great. We can actually use this for the trend. Oh, 15-minute. After hours trends are so goofy. Not in a cool way either. Nah, I don't like that. We'll force them to do that. Eh. I mean, there's not much TA you could do after hours, to be 100% honest with you guys. We're trading at $1.21. This is a nice little candle here. I don't know if that's still considered a candle. I'm not your go-to guy for candles. I don't do candle trading. I do institutional trading. I do Wyckoffs. That's the name. Wyckoff. 122, 121. This could be the most boring hour here, but if we end up over $1.50, I'll take boring all day heading into Monday. Whoever you're with this weekend, let him know what's going on. We need some volume. Most importantly, if people are interested and they do want to trade the stock and they don't have a brokerage, tell them to open interactive brokers. Do not tell people to trade on Robinhood. It's not going to make a difference, okay? That's just going to get internalized. Volume total for the day is now up to 6.27%. Trying to break out of this 128 resistance that we have. Body of this previous candle was $1.23, which was we're currently trying to break out of as well. But 128 is the high of after hours, aka high of the day. Shelly is happy. Good to see you in here, Shelly. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm not even worried about TA. The only thing I want is to close with a high percentage. So if a whale over the weekend sees the big move after hours, they're going to question, oh, why? Why is it trading this high at after hours? What happened? And they're going to see the halt code news and they're going to see the news and they're going to be like, oh, people are going to jump over this. It just takes one whale to push this. Maybe Roger will do a buyback or another insider buy. Woo! You know, Roger still has buybacks available, right? And insider buying available. Roger, where you at, man? Let's get this cracking. Can he buy after hours? Sure. He can buy wherever he wants or whenever he wants. You guys love VWAP, huh? I'm usually out of the trade by the time it hits VWAP, if I'm honest with you guys. 125, here we go. Is this the move? The ask is 283. Buy a couple more. I'll buy a couple more at the ask for you guys. But I can't. I can only buy on payment for order flow brokers. It's like it makes no difference. I don't have any available cash on interactive brokers right now. 127, guys. Oh, my phone is dying. 127 for those driving or listening at work. 129. There's 129. We talked about it. Let's see what happens here. Can we break 130? I said we hold over 129. We're drinking again. Get those drinks ready. This might be a long night. This is wife changing money, husband changing money. Do not tell them how much money you make off of GNS if this gets going. Do not tell him. 127, 128, 127. The ask is only 100 at 128. My order didn't even show up on times. Oh, my times of sales is set for 5,000 and above. I forget I always do that. This is a brand new candle. Higher this candle is $1.29. We're up 47% on the day at 127. There we go. Starting to look squeezy again. Volume is now up to 6.55 million. You can imagine what this would do with billions of volume. I am officially green on all my GNS accounts. Green, baby. 128, 127. Anybody want to take bets on if I'm drunk by 5 p.m. or not? I'm 3 in. This is my, oh no, this is my fourth one. This is my fourth one and it's almost done. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, my liver is the true champion here. It's not me, it's not Roger, it's not Wes. It's my liver. My liver is carrying us right now. It's carrying us to the championship. $1.29. $1.29. 2 minutes left on this candle. 129. We break 129. I think that's 50% up on the day. Zachary says, been slowly growing my trading account for 6 months. For GNS, nice. Stonebridge says, do you guys still have to call? Yeah, that's a good point. If any of you guys have bought during this after hours, can you please let us know in the chat if you had any problems? That would be great. Thank you. We're trading at $1.28, by the way. Electric Frontier, good to see you in here, buddy. Says go. Yeah, let's go, baby. Break it. Break 130. Let's go. Do it. Oh, that 129 is becoming a little pain in the butt. 128. I told you guys, man. 129, 108, and 115. Let me tell you the next level. Oh, this candle on the 4-hour chart is disgusting. Holy crap. 129. Rejected. 129. Rejected. 129. Rejected. 129. Rejected. 129. Rejected. All right, let's see the next move. $133. Nah. I guess 140. 140 would be the next big resistance. 130. 131. Get your drinks ready, baby. Get your drinks ready. 132. 131. Oh, I didn't say 132. 131. Candle. Oh, it's a brand new candle. The last candle closed at 129 exactly. You're welcome. Told you. $1.32. Okay. So 140 is going to be the next resistance. I mean, it's psychological. It's a round up number. It's not hard to think that's what it's going to be, right? 135, 140 is obviously going to be the next ones. But the next supply zone. Oh, yeah, it's not going to show it on the daily. The supply zone, guys, is coming up at 150, 157, 155, 157. I can't see on the chart.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like 157. Thanks for the sub, Carrie. Appreciate you. 131. So the next the supply zone, the next big resistance is going to be at 157, 158. We're going to have small resistance at 135 and 140. Currently trading at 132, up 51% on the day, guys. I hope you guys have been drinking. You were supposed to take a drink at 129. If you didn't, you're just failing all of us. And if this does not break 150 tonight, then you're to blame. We are creating alcoholics here. Millionaires and alcoholics. That's the goal here. That's the goal of the channel. Create millionaires and alcoholics. One penny at a time. One sip at a time. We're trading flat at 131, 130. Let's see. The last big buy order was 6,000. That was 1 minute ago. The last big sell order. Well, actually, that 6,000 was a neutral order. They were both at $1.31. There was a sell order at 7,300. That is the. Oh my goodness! Somebody just bought 17,800 shares at $1.27. Thank you, whoever did that. We appreciate you. Please don't be shy to buy 1,000,000 shares at $2. Take it straight up to $3. Bet you won't. All right, 128. This is I don't know. Before I say it, I'll wait more. I'll wait a little longer. One more evidence. Let's go see if we got any more new information here as far as cost to borrow. Nothing new with cost to borrow. Rebates the same. Cost to borrow is the same. Shares available are lies. They don't matter. Off exchange was 47 last time we checked. It's down to 39% dark pool. We keep going down. They are letting it run. They're letting it run, guys. We're out of the zombie prison. They're letting it run. Let's go. They are letting us run. Holy crap, man. I can't believe it. Maybe they are covering. $1.26, $1.27, up 47% on the day. Volume is now 7.21 million. The VWAP is at $1.14. Top of the KC channels, which is my indicator that I use, my preferred indicator, is at $1.17. I am not a big fan of indicators, guys. I do not really trade based off of indicators. I think those are the biggest traps in the stock market. I'm gonna have to get another beer here. All right, let's see. $1.26. Nothing big going on here. We still got 45 minutes on the dot left in after hours trading. Volume continues to rise, which is great. There is now spoofing going on at $1.25. That just got ate up. The ask just moved to $1.26 because that spoofing got removed. These guys don't learn. They keep doing the same thing over and over. Stop it. You're being sued. You're going to court for this. Why keep doing it? Why keep doing it? Is this why the dark pool numbers are down? What do you guys think? Did the market maker learn his lesson? Citadel? You know, they're going after Citadel. Citadel is the market maker, right? Virtue, Citadel, Susquehanna. Those are the market makers. Interesting. Steph says I have to go to the liquor store. You ran out? Zach I still have to call Schwab. Okay, thank you for that clarity. And Elise said, I just slapped the ask. Beautiful, baby. I love it. All right. And Elise, a bunch of us have already bought after hours. Again, do not feel pressured. We're not telling you to buy or sell. We are not financial advisors. However, the higher the percentages after hours, the more attention we get on Monday. Okay? So feel absolutely no pressure. Please, we're not telling you to buy or sell. We're just telling you that anything helps if you want to do it on your own. But please do not feel pressured, even though this is probably pressuring you. I promise you, it's not my intention, okay? But I'm glad that you guys that bought with me. That's cool. I bought some this morning too, by the way. Not much, but I bought some. And then I purchased some after hours to test Robinhood. Not much, but I did hit the ask. Brooks, welcome in here. Rufus, Suzanne. Wait, is it Susan or Suzanne? There's two N's. I love your emoji though. All those emojis are cool. Shelly says, woohoo, I'm up 105%. Yeah, and you're a whale too. Your 105% is higher than my 105%. Pumpy says Citadel is Citadun. Let's hope so. Dave says I'm spamming the shit out of X. Good stuff. Good stuff. I can't have the share. What do you mean? You already agreed to the deal, bruh. And I said no Diddy. I was just gonna punch you and take your money like a bully. But all right, man. Keep your shares. Keep your shares. I'll buy them from somebody else. Don't worry about it. $1.28, guys. I promise you, if you guys are listening and driving, I will tell you when we break 130. Okay. You do not have to look at the chart. Oh, there's 130. You do not have to go out of your way if you're driving. I got you. Don't worry. Trust me. $1.31. Okay. Stay safe for you and your family. If this does what it potentially could do, then you're going to need to spend the money. Don't give it to the government. Sam says, I couldn't buy on Schwab, just tried. Did you try calling in or you tried the electric buy order? As respecting EMAs? Yeah, this is definitely day traders. I mean, I guess it could be the algorithm. I don't know. You never know with this stock. We're trading at 130, 131. 132 is the price to beat. If they have Racer 5, get it, Steph. We'll still be here. I'm going to stay on the whole 40 minutes. We'll be on here. 40 more minutes. I'll share another drink with you. I'm about to go get another one right now as well.
Oh, yeah.
Peter Joy, thanks for the sub. Appreciate you, buddy. Hopefully you're a GNS investor and you're having a good time right now. We're trading at 128. 49% up on the day. Like I said, you're going to have psychological numbers 130, 135, 140, 145. But the real resistance is at 158, 157. That is a supply zone, guys. So we need to get up there. We got 40 minutes left trading after hours. It's 420. You know what that means? Where's my pen? Nah, it's okay. It's 420 at 1 p.m. anyways. Got to do it before it's illegal again, you know? You have to call in for Schwab. Yeah, that's what I figured. Hmm. Bradford, are you a bot? If you're not a bot, Bradford, show me 6 different emojis within the next 2 minutes. Let's see. Stonebridge says this could be an algo accumulation prior to Monday's gap open. It could be. Shelly says I was losing all hope. Wyckoff, thank you so much for all you've done and continue to do so. Hey, you did it yourself, right? You're the one that dealt with everything. You know yourself. You've been through this. Everybody that's been this plate, you guys know yourself. All I've done is teach you their ways, right? I didn't do nothing for you as far as stock. I didn't hit the buy button. I didn't hit the sell button. All I'm doing is teaching you how this stuff works. Thank yourself. Thank Roger. If you want to thank me for learning market manipulation and how this stuff works, hey, you're welcome. But I had nothing to do with GNS. All right, we finally hit the top of this KC channel. Usually, when you hit the top of this KC channel, it goes to the continuation to the next run up, right? Um, let's see what happens here. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh my gosh, this is not even close to the KC channel on the 15-minute. It's not even close to the VWAP. All right, we're definitely coming down here. If this is anything normal, like normal TA, I know it's after hours and it's a little bit different. If it was to be normal TA, you would come down to $1.15. We're trading at $1.25 right now. So I don't know. This is so weird calling this because it's after hours. It's so freaking different. Usually by now I'm like sleeping on the couch. You know what I mean? $1.24, guys. Um, give me a minute and a half, and I'll come back to keep calling this. I'm gonna go get another drink, and I gotta go to the bathroom because this beer runs right through me. You know what I mean? So if you want to leave, go ahead. If you want to stay for the action, please do so. Either way, I love you for it. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. Woo! J. Cole said, I didn't know after hours could go by so fast. It's crazy, huh? It's crazy how that works when it's your stock. Can't hear me? Still? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear this? Let me see. Could you hear that? You never own beer, you just rent it? Nah, 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 nah. I own it. Let me pour this drink. Hold on. All right, let's see. Volume 8 million. We are testing that trend line again. Last time we bounced off of it, we made a new high. High of after hours is $1.32. We're currently trading at $1.22, up 41.38%. We've been as high as 52%. And after hours, looking great. Looking great. Even if we were down back down to $1.15, it's still great, guys. We're on the right track. The important thing is to hold this momentum heading into Monday, okay? Don't focus too much on right now, especially on a Friday after hours. 124. This is pretty impressive for what today is. There was a few sell orders while I was gone. One was 5,900. One was 5,600. Uh, as far as buy orders, there was one while I was gone, 7,400, and there's a neutral order of 20,000. Also, my boy, if you're still driving and you picked up the nephews from school, shout out to the nephews. Shout out McLovin, Emmy. Good luck at the gym. Good luck with your cheerleading. And tell your dad he's about to owe me a lot of money if he's in the car. All right, let's get to the chat. Another Eden. Oh, we got the UK in the house. Okay. Just got back from a gig. What do? You're a musician? What kind of gigging are you doing? R9M. There's a lot of new people in here. Sorry, guys, if I missed you. Welcome in here, though. Glad you're sticking around. Trading at 127. We're making a move back up. Again, typically you would expect a move back down to around 115. Okay? This is super strong for after hours. I have no reason to lie to you guys. We are looking amazing. Back to 129, 130. Today is the start, guys. This is not the squeeze. This is the beginning of it. I hope you guys understand that. Do not think this is it. Depending on what happens right now, after hours, in the next 30 minutes, 31 minutes, will tell us what happens on Monday. We're trading at $1.31 now. $1.29 making a move back up. Looking good. There was 69 people in here, the perfect number. Boo Badford? Oh, is he still doing it? Or you reminded me? Shelly, can you do it? I can't do it. My phone's charging. It's over there. If Shelly could do it, that'd be great. You're modded, by the way, Shelly, in case you didn't know. And Elise says, I can't drink at work. You still work, dude? All the stocks that you give me. Guys, $1.40. $1.41. What a nice move, guys. $1.38. $1.37. We're moving, baby. Drinks. Drinks. Shots. Shot. 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 Everybody. Steph, you're already back. What drink did you bring me? Annalise says we hit the scanner again. I could tell that was a big jump in share price. Uh, Dutch Goofy in the house. All right, all right. These candles that are in the thousands are going to be millions on Monday. The news against Virtue and Citadel is effing massive. Yeah. Mike Lee Jr. says my wife thinks I'm Warren Buffett now. That's funny. I hope she didn't listen when I said this is wife changing money. I'm just kidding, by the way. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We're getting some volatility here, guys. The volume is up to 9 million now. Moving pretty volatile, to be honest. 130, 140. We're trading at 131 now. For those that are driving or listening. The bid and ask has gotten a little bit tighter. It's within 2 cents now. $1.92. I told you we come. Hey, I said it first. I said it first. Okay. We got 28 minutes left here in after hours. $1.31, $1.32. You got a Voodoo Ranger? Oh, what? Where are you from? Are you from California? Voodoo Ranger. That's when I want to get a pretty twisted. That's what I drink. Those are always high alcohol. They're fun. That's a good party beer. Bid ask is 2 cents difference. The bid has. I don't know if that's spoofing or we're getting filled. There could be some covering going on here. There's for after hours. There are some big orders going through, guys. We're trading at 133, 132. Whoa, 140. Somebody just made a nice buy back to. Oh, we're squeezing. Is this it? Is this when they lose control? That was a 10-cent move, 2-cent move. We're getting jumpy. 135, 134. 135. Oh, we're getting jumpy. Oh, you're from New York? Okay. You a Bills fan? I like Josh Allen. Good quarterback. He's all right. $1.34, $1.35. That was a crazy move to $1.40. Especially since the bid ask was only 2 cents. I mean, that had to be a decent order. However, on the times of sales, it's not showing up like that. $1.36, $1.35. Volume is 9.3 million. 4:34 Pacific time. This candle is about to end. This is going to be new higher high. Great to see. Great to see a new higher high. Buffalo Bills, baby. Taking the Super Bowl too? Nah. Have you seen my Rams? I'm trying to convert my boy into being a Rams fan. He's a Raiders fan. Blah. I'm trying to tell him, man. Puka Nakua. Rams is the way to go. We have no fans. We could use them. I know Buffalo's not New York City. Come on now. Is that what you think of me? You think I could learn the whole entire stock market, but I don't know where Buffalo is compared to New York City? You're closer to Massachusetts than the Patriots are, aren't you? Come on now. This is Dub G, baby. Oh, man. Matthew says 15 beers, right? Was that what you're bringing? You're bringing them over? Nah, you can't come over now, bro. I'm already getting pretty drunk already. I mean, you're welcome to, but you're gonna have to buy me dinner. I can't. I don't think my liver could take it. Yeah, you're welcome to try though. You're welcome to try. $1.32, guys, up 52, 53% on the day after hours, or in total. Let's see. It's been 3 hours. Let's look at the 1 hour. Wow, look at the 1 hour chart. That's beautiful. Um, 2 million on this candle. So there's been 3 million since market close. Over 3 million in volume since market close. Pretty good. We're almost at 10 million. And think about this. All this volume is from after hours, which is even more impressive, right? You guys remember I told you guys about the KC channels? Look, it's following the KC channels. The KC channels are the new higher highs and higher or the new higher lows. See that? It's not the VWAP. It's the top of the KC channel. $1.33, guys. We're gonna try to make our way back up to $1.40, and then we'll go from there. We got about 23 minutes left in after hours. We're looking great, guys. If we could close above 50%, heading it over the weekend, Monday is gonna be fun. I promise you, Monday I am 100% streaming. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. 100%. $1.34, $1.33. I want to close in this red box here. If you're looking at the screen, I want to close in this supply zone right here. I don't think you guys understand the how big it would be if we closed in or above this box. This right here is the ultimate resistance. I know this is the most recent high, $1.92, but this box right here, this is where all the selling pressure is. Okay? You get above this box, yeah, the party's on, guys. Just like we broke over 108 over here and we started making a move up, easy. Easy test of $2. $1.36 after hours, up 57% on a day. On the on the day. We got 21 minutes left on the trading day. We're so close to this box. Um, Let me catch up on the chat. You smacked the Chiefs? Yeah, yeah. Patrick Mahomes is washed, I think. And Elise says, I think we rip into close. No overnight trading until Sunday. We may see some latecomers. Yeah, that's usually what happens. My only problem is that it's Friday. Not a lot of people, including me, like holding positions like this heading into the weekend. But you're right. You could get some volatility heading into the end of the day. We got 20 minutes to find out. We're trading at 136. Lions? Oh, I used to be a Lions fan. Matthew, do you hear that? There's another Lions fan on Earth. I love Charles Johnson. Big fan. Uh, let's see. Steph says, I like you. We're going to be good friends. I appreciate you. Hey, you already said you're coming over here. You're taking me and my friend brewery hopping, so we're going to hold you to it. What's going on in the Discord? I'm not even watching. Uh, we only had 700K volume before the halt. Yeah, that makes sense. We're at 10 million. Oh, 10 million in volume. We just crossed 10 million in volume. Uh, Share price $1.31. Only if Roger established a dual listing before the lawsuit. Yeah, he still can. Guys, GNS is not over by a long shot. This is just one catalyst. We'll find out what this catalyst does on Monday. This is nothing. Right now, our main goal, I keep repeating it. I'm sorry, but our main goal is to finish above 50% here. If people start seeing this stock close at 50% that already left the market and they look over the weekend studying charts, right? You're going to see a couple whales look at the stock, look at the price movement, look at the news, and they're going to invest in it for a day trade, right? Plus, you never know if Roger does another buyback or insider buying. And to be honest with you, I don't know if legally he could do that. I don't know what the rules are when it comes to that. I've already explained to you guys the safe harbor rules on the stream earlier today, but when it comes to the actual insider buying, I don't think I'm pretty sure there's no rules when it comes to that. I think it would be pretty stupid if insiders did not buy come Monday, right? Unless legally they're obligated not to. If they're allowed to do it legally and they don't do it, it's just a shame. Miss that opportunity not just for them but for us. $1.34. We're making our way back up. Volume is continuing to climb. We're at $1.34. $1.41 is the price we're trying to break. Annalise says Beyond marinated over the weekend before the big run. This could be the same. Exactly. The only disadvantage we have is the electric buy button being taken away. But I'll do my part. I'll make a video on it. Oh, I don't know if I will. I'll probably hungover. Um, you guys do your part. You guys do your part and let everybody know to buy on interactive brokers. Route their shares. Don't buy them payment for order flow. If they want to buy, don't force them. Start. You have 69 people in here. Start an X, and you could have thousands. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. I'm more concerned about the share price of GNS than I am about my social media career. I'm more invested in the stock than I am in myself, which is it sounds kind of stupid, right? But I really, really am invested in GNS, guys. I'm not bullshitting you. I have one of my friends in here. He could probably tell you. I, I really don't give a shit about YouTube or X or having a million followers. I really don't give a shit. I want the stock to squeeze. I want to get paid. You know what I mean? If anybody wants to stick around with me afterwards, or people that sub that actually like what I'm saying or are learning anything, then okay, then I'll keep doing this. But I'm not doing this for a career or to grift money from you guys or to do anything. I'm literally doing this for fun. It is. Whatever comes from it comes from it. But my goal is not to have 1,000 people on a space call. My goal is to have the stock hit a lot of money for me and for you guys, right? That's my goal. I promise you. Don't get me wrong though. If we squeeze and this goes to 50 to triple digits, your ass better donate some money to me. I'm building an app and I'll make it free. I'm building a Wyckoff app. Oh, I'm almost done with it. I probably have like I was telling my boy earlier. I probably put another 5 to 10 grand in it, and then test it a few times and see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. But if this stock goes so high, I'll just make the app free. But if you guys want to invest in it, perfect. But no, I'm not here. I'm not here for popularity. I'm genuinely here because I want to make money off of Citadel. Candy. All right, let's get back in the chat. They may have a blackout period due to the lawsuit news. Oh, for buying? Yeah, yeah, it could be. That's a good point. That's why I said I don't know the legality of it. They could have a blackout period. I don't know how that works. I don't know if insiders would have that as well, or just Roger. I don't know. Apparently, Roger is going to CV Pain Monday. Well, you're bullshitting. You're bullshitting. Was that on X? Oh man, you know how much volume that could bring? Oh, I know you do. I forget who I'm talking to. Sorry. All right, let's see. Um, all right, bring this back. We're trading at $1.33, guys, up 54% a day for those listening. Volume is at 10.38 million. The bid and ask surprisingly has narrowed down. It's only 1 penny. It actually looks normal or close to normal. Normally, it's a 3, 4, 5 cent difference in the bid and ask spread. So that's awesome to see. You posted a link on Discord. I don't have my phone with me, and I don't have Discord on my laptop. Did you get it from X? I could look it up on X. Did Roger tweet it? Bali trip. Dave says Bali trip. Man, I don't have that many shares, man. I'm not that rich. You buy my ticket. I'm down to go. And the drinks. I'll get my own room. I'm gonna stay at Roger's house. I'm gonna crash at Roger's house on his couch. Tell him stories. 131, 132. We still made a higher high the previous run. We're looking to come down to $1.28 here before our next move up. We're trading at $1.32. Volume is up to 10.46 million. Here we go back down to 130, 128, and we bounce, is what I say. 129. Remember, I'm a professional. I posted a link on Discord. Okay. I'll go get my phone when this beer runs out. I'm halfway done with it. I'm literally babysitting this beer, man. I'm scared. Uh it's not cloud X spaces are about community. Yeah. I get it. It's just it's easier for me to do what I do best, right? Like if somebody doesn't know trading and they come here for the first time and they're wondering what's happening and they see me drawing these lines, they might get interested in trading and it could change their life, right? On X, it's more like clout to me. You say it's not clout, but it's more like about followers and things. This is an opportunity for me to like actually teach. Like when I talk about the KC bands or volume, bid ask and stuff like that, I can't visually do that on X. You would just hear me like talk about myself. You know what I mean? I'm not I'm not really about that. It's not my personality. I'm pretty chill. I'm not a guy that goes to like bars. Well, I used to. Like South Beach has some cool ass bars. But I mean like I go to a brewery or I just chill at the house. I'm not. Ah, there's 128, 129, top of the KC bands. And is touching the trend on the 15 minute. You're looking at the 5 minute chart. 128, 129. All right, 126. Let's see if we go back up. They're pushing it down. I think they want to go to VWAP and it's getting bought back up. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about, Steph. This is a good learning opportunity here. You know what I mean? Can't do that on X. I can do that on Discord, but not a lot of people sign up to the Discord, and it's free. All these people on X and stuff that post Discord links, they charge money for them, and a lot of people that join those try to get scammed, and they think my Discord's the same shit, and it's not. My shit's literally free, you know. There's still good humans left, believe it or not. All right, 127, 128. We're holding 128, 129. This is exactly what I told you guys we would come down to. We're holding it. You have a wick down here, and now we're green on this candle back up to 130. So we did it exactly as expected. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if we can break above. What is this? $1.37, $36, $1.36, and make our way up to 141 and break out again. On the bear side, you would have a move down to potentially what is this? $1.07. The way that stock's been acting, I don't see that happening. I do see us finishing the after hours above 50%. We're currently at 51.81. No big buy orders or sell orders on the times and sales. Bid and ask has gotten a big spread. It's actually 4 cents now between $1.26 and $1.31. Uh, Looking good. I have no complaints right now. As a trader, I have zero complaints right now. This is playing out the way I would want it to play out, especially with after hours. And to be honest with you, the fact that it's after hours and it's doing this is mind blowing to me. I really thought we would be at 98 cents at some point. Honestly, like no bullshit. All right, let's see. Is it Monday yet? Carrie wants to know if it's Monday yet. Oh, let's finish above 50%. We'll worry about Monday. One step at a time. One step at a time. Yeah, no problem, Steph. Oh, I'm telling you. You already said it. I'm gonna hold you to those beers. Oh, sorry, buddy. I just stepped on my dog. All right. So we finished right on that trend line on the 5 minute, which means if we go to the 15 minute, we're still fighting for it. Yeah, we're still fighting for it. But we're in a beautiful uptrend, guys. Beautiful uptrend. The 15 minutes still has 5 minutes to go. I would say on the bearish trend, we would finish around 119 on this candle in the next 5 minutes. On the bull trend, we'll finish above 133. We'll say 133, between 133 and 141. It's playing out perfectly right now. I still have no complaints. I don't care if this candle is red, it'll turn green. I am not worried about it. I am I'm very happy with the price action right now. We're still up 50% on trading day. There's 5 minutes left, 4 minutes left on the trading day, and then we'll go from there. Listen, I wanted to close about 50%. You don't have to hold 50%. You can go below it. It's fine. But I wanted 50%. We're right at 50% right now, 50.65. How did I know it would be around 50%? I don't know. It's just luck. We'll probably finish right at 50%. Watch. You guys want to bet? Right at 50%? $1.30, guys, for those that are listening. Beautiful, beautiful day, guys. We finally got some freaking price action, guys. Holy crap. For those of you that have been here for years or for the last few months, I know the pain. I lived this journey with you, okay? We're in this together. And hey, listen, congratulations on this finally getting done. I know a lot of people have been talking about he will never file the lawsuit, it'll never happen, blah, 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 right? He did it. What are they going to say next? What are they going to say next, guys? What? Fundamentals? We already explained why the fundamentals aren't where they should be because of the freaking manipulation. Because they try to have a takeover to the company, right? That's why there's a RICO case. There is no real, true, bare argument for the stock right now. And that's why you have a manipulation lawsuit happening. We're below 50%, $1.29. Oh, we're back up. 50%, 50.64%. We got 2 minutes left here on Friday after hours. An after hours stream. Guys, I've streamed for almost, what, 8 hours? Oh. Some of you guys were here for 8 hours. Get alive. Holy moly. Get alive. Nah, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, beautiful. All right. Let's see. 1.5 minutes left. Trading at 130. Exactly at 50%. Up on the day. 50.65. I said this is where we would end. I would love this. I would love 50%. Down to 49.5. I would not put it beyond a big red candle here. Going in the last minute. Trying to manipulate the percentage. But 50% would be amazing. We're literally at 51% now. A big green candle here would be icing on the cake. Oh, and at least just said that. Big candle up before close. Come on. Hey, it can be. How much time we got left? We got 45 seconds left on trading day. 131. Share price up 51%. 130, 131. We're getting volatility here going into the close. We're starting to see it move. 51, 50, 51.8. $1.31. We're holding right on the trend line. Basics, the most basic TA you could use. We're holding it right now. Look at this. It's fighting for that 50% mark. Why is it fighting for 50%? I'm just that good. No, I'm just kidding. Steph says I appreciate you. Nah, I appreciate you too. We'll hang in here for a few minutes afterwards and we could chat it up if you guys want to talk about anything. If not, we'll get out of here. We got 3, 2, 1. And the close is. What is it? $1.30. 50%. 50.65%. Crazy, huh? I must work for Citadel or something. Just kidding. I really am just kidding. Don't mess with me. If you mess with me, I'll short GNS. Relax. Congratulations, guys. Monday could be the most beautiful day of your life. We won't know. We won't know until it happens. But you guys that hung in with the stock, that hung in with me too through the journey, I have no words. It's been an incredible, incredible journey. Volume for the day 11.18 million. Obviously, the 10 point something million, it was from after hours because of the halt. Uh, the chart looks beautiful for after hours. I'm really excited to see what's to come on Monday. I really hope that you guys take the time and tell people about the stock. Okay, please do not put yourself in a situation or a scenario where people depend on you regarding share price, especially now that we're trading at $1.30 plus, depending where we open. Um, but let them make their own mind up. Please explain to them the whole scenario, not just, oh, the stock was up 50% up Friday. Please be real with everybody that you talk to regarding the stock, but please do talk to as many people as you can and let them make up their own mind. Okay. Um, Aside from that, it's out of our hands, guys. Great close to for me. I mean, $1.30, great. A lot of people here should be green. What holds Monday? What comes Monday? We don't know. J. Cole says thanks for everything. No problem. Do your thing. Matthew says see you guys Monday. Hey. Um, and Elise says thanks to Genius. My whole portfolio is up 20% right now. Beautiful. Love it. Let's see. The low volume sell off towards the end is indicative. There wasn't much of a sell off, to be honest. They tried to. Look at this wick. That was a failed sell off if they even tried it. This is like a peekaboo, right? Oh, I should take that, but yep, that's it, guys. I got to take this phone call, but it's been awesome. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please make sure you drop a like on your way out if you can. Um, See you guys on Discord through the weekend, and I'll see you guys in the live stream on Monday. We're live streaming for sure Monday, so subscribe, like, and say your notifications, and I'll let you know what time I get on Monday. I do have to trade on top of GNS, so I'll see you guys then. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.